red day all around, but JNJ squeaks out a green day, albeit it's only about 70 cents. So 0.5% higher, but we're still green. So take that for what it's worth. JNJ, we always mention it's one of those boring stocks, but hey, guess what? We're in the green today, and everybody else is pretty much red in here as far as stocks go. You had right around a $2 total move in here from your highs and your lows today, and that's kind of what it's been ever since about mid-February, ever since we went up into this overbought territory on our RSI. Really about $2 to $3 moves each day is what you're getting in here. We're not actually closing up an exact $2 high from the previous day's close, but the highs and the lows in here, that spread, it is giving you about a $2 to $3 swing, which actually for JNJ is not too bad, right? I get it. It's $160 something stock, and you're only getting those $2 to $3 moves, but still for JNJ, that is saying something. Have not touched this chart. We left it be ever since we done our last video because we only breached this high in here 2 trading sessions ago of that 100% fib level, the 169.03. We only breached that for just a second, so we're just going to leave this on here like it was. We went up and we hit that 169.99 in here. We almost had that 170 mark, missed it by about a penny, right? So we're not going to adjust that. We're not going to put our fib level up here. We're just going to keep it where it's at, the 169.03. And then you can see that we're right back below our previous resistance in here of that 166 mark. So we're sitting kind of 20 cents off of it right now. So going forward immediately, that 166 is going to be our first resistance. Above that, then we can worry about this 169.03. But it looks like we're having trouble right here with the 166. You can see right here, boom, didn't break it. This broke it, but then obviously a couple trading sessions ago, hit that high in there, pulled right back. And then now we're sitting back below it once more. Our support is going to be this 9-day EMA in here, currently trading at 164.29. Below that, it is going to be this 162.91 level. And then finally below that, it's a long way down, albeit it's only $4. But for J&J, it's $4. That's a big long way down to this 61.8 fib level at that 158 mark in here. So again, RSI pretty overbought. As you can see, it's been like that ever since mid-February here on the daily. And it looks like your volume is kind of flushing out here the past 2 trading sessions off of that big red candle in here, off of those highs, and then drop down back below our previous resistance level. You have right around $1 expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration. If you go out to next Friday, right around a $3 expected move, $4 if you go out to your March monthlies, and all the way in April, you have an expected move priced in around $7, but that does contain your earnings report in that week. So that is your earnings cycle in there, $7 expected move. So we got a ways till earnings, so you can still don't have to worry about any earnings run or earnings jumble in here, right? With any sympathy plays or things like that. Still got a ways to go before all the financials start reporting. So it's always good to just kind of look immediately. What are we looking at? 166, above that 169, and below the 9-day EMA at that 164. We're looking at the 162.91 area. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.